Moving the objects around in your scene is easy. Let's add another object to the scene here with the bunny. Here I'll import a set of wings I found in the 123D gallery. I'll click Append to add the wings object to the scene here with the bunny. Now the wings need to be moved into place on the bunny's back. To move it, I can click Edit Transform. Now I can see a manipulator which I can use to move the wings. Here I click and drag the direction that I want to move it in. In this case, I can move it in the direction of the red arrow, which is the x-axis. I can also constrain the movement to a plane by clicking the plane on the manipulator. See, now I am moving the object constrained to this plane. I can also rotate the object while I am in the Transform tool by clicking the rotation handles. Here I rotate the wings around the z-axis to give them a better orientation. I can also use the manipulator to scale the object uniformly or non-uniformly. Click-drag the white square in the center of the manipulator to scale the object uniformly, making it larger or smaller. You can squash the object by using the non-uniform scaling handles for each axis. It is the square at the end of each arrow. I'll undo that with Ctrl-Z and scale the wings so that they are a smaller set of wings for this bunny. Now one last thing before I'm finished positioning these wings is that I have to click Accept to finalize the Transform tool. You can also accept the transform by using the hotkey A. So now I've successfully positioned these wings on the bunny's back, and I can Boolean union them together or combine them and use the Make Solid tool to make them a watertight mesh ready for 3D printing, for example. Lastly, when you import an object, you see that there is this option to flip the ZY on Import-Export. This is an option you really only need to set once if you have a common workflow. For example, I import this mecha beetle someone made in 123D Design and shared it on the gallery. It comes in sideways. This is because the default up direction for 123D apps is Z, while Meshmixer's up direction is Y. Depending on what application you are coming from, you may see something similar. To fix this, you can click the Flip the ZY on Import-Export and re-import the model. Here I choose to replace the current scene, and now the beetle comes in right side up. This option is sticky, so you only have to check it once, and it will be remembered.